Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha, and I just have a couple of things in my hand. Okay, just a few things, all right? And if you guys follow me for any time, I've been an online marketer, I've been affiliate marketer, I've been a coach for over 10 years, okay? Online, making a decent income from home. I love it. I help other people as well. So these little items here that I have, right, in my hand, okay? These little items here, I got them off of Amazon, right? Well, this one I got off Amazon. This one I actually bought from the young lady. And I actually won this award. Well, I was honored and they gave me this award, right? So why am I telling you this? So how does the influencer program works, right? Anything that is sold on Amazon, guys, can be reviewed on Amazon. I got this on Amazon, so I can review it, and Amazon can pay me to review this, right? Amazon can pay me to review this. I actually won this award, but it's sold on Amazon. So I can review this, and Amazon will pay me to review this. I bought the book from the young lady named Amber. Very pretty girl. But her book is sold on Amazon. So I can do a review and Amazon will pay me. I make thousands of dollars reviewing items for Amazon. Like, I work for Amazon. So if you are looking for a side business, and here's the thing, you are already reviewing products on Amazon, right? You already reading reviews. You're already watching review videos. When you open up a package or when you open up a book, you are reviewing it. It's just that you're not getting paid to do it. I got so many things, or even these pens. I got a bunch of these pens on Amazon, right? For my women's wealth and wellness, event, right? Tons of these. I got 100 of these. Easily I can do a review on these, and Amazon is going to pay me for doing reviews. So I basically work for Amazon. So you can make $100 a month, you can make $500 a month, you can make $1,000, whatever it is, guys. But you got to be consistent. You got to be consistent in doing the stuff. Okay. So every time that someone is interested in this book, I can get paid. Every time that someone's interested in, so simply, every time that someone goes and reads the review or watches the review video for this book, Amazon's going to pay me a commission. Every time that someone goes to this listing, because this was a listing when I was shopping online, right? Every time someone goes here and they're interested in this and they watch the review video, because people watch reviews. People watch reviews all the time. People read reviews all the time. They said the percentage of people doing reviews, or I mean, not doing reviews, but reading reviews and watching reviews went up over 200% in the last year. People read reviews, right? So that's how people buy, from reviews, right? So once I review this, Amazon likes it. Amazon will put my review on this listing, and every time that someone clicks and watch my video and buys from my video, I get a commission. Same thing with this book. Now, even if this wasn't bought on Amazon, as long as it's sold on Amazon. So I'm sure you got stuff in your house. I'm sure you got stuff in your bedroom. I'm sure you got stuff in your office. I'm sure you got stuff in your studio. I'm sure you can make $100 a month. You can make $500 a month. I have the book on Amazon. I'll put the link below so you can get it. It's $20. Get your book, start learning. Or I have a course, right? My course is $100, right? Because I go through step by step, and there's a whole video series, but you get it for life, right? It's a lifetime course for $100, right? So it's time to make some money from what you are already doing. Now, how does Amazon pay you? They pay you every month. Every month. So this is considered to be a passive residual income. You don't have to worry about team building. You don't have to worry about getting on team calls. You don't have to worry about having inventory because you already got all the inventory that you need to make thousands of dollars. So the difference between me and you is I'm getting paid and you not. So if you find we're not getting paid, then, just keep watching, right? And keep just ordering. But it makes no sense when we have the opportunity, guys, to make money from what we already doing and will continue to do and will be doing to the day that we die. We're going to shop online forever. That's it. I'm just going to keep getting paid forever. So make sure you guys follow me at Coach Tanisha Marie and click on the link below if you want the book or if you want the course, training. Click on the link below. I'll see you guys in the next video.